is such a weird, this is, no, it's like, okay. Hello, you guys. I received a question about a couple days ago about the Epidemic sound app. I wanted to answer that question in a video. One of the questions was, I can't even bring it up. When you download it, where did it go? Because I've tried downloading mine, but I can't find it. So this is from Shanria G. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you what that looks like when you download it. So it really depends on what app that you're using when you edit your videos. When you download anything, you have to know where it goes. So that usually goes in your files, right? And in every phone, there's like a files app. So we are here on my phone. I'm gonna touch the Epidemic sound app. Now, I'm going to pick a random song. So we're here on the main screen, right? Moho Flag right here. More of what you like. Let's play Moho Flag. Okay. Now I'm gonna touch Moho Flag on the bottom. Now I'm gonna download it. Okay. Now I'm gonna download it. Those three dots on the far left, somewhat in the middle of the screen. Those three dots. You're gonna download and export. Okay, so it's download started on the bottom screen. That's what it says. Now a window pops up. Okay, so there's different ways, there's different options for you to be able to send it to somebody. If you wanted to airdrop it on other of your Apple devices in your files. I'm pretty sure every phone has a files app or like a download app. So in this case, we're gonna do two options. First we're gonna do save to files. So I'm gonna touch save to files. Now it says item will be saved to common assets on iCloud Drive. And then over here I have all of these folders, right? So it's important for you to know which folder your song went to. Now, in this case, I have a downloads folder. And this downloads folder has common assets, and that's common assets that's highlighted. Now, the name of the file that I just downloaded is es_moho flag, right? If you wanted to change the name, you can, but I'm gonna leave it that way. And then you're gonna press save. Okay, now we're gonna go to our files app. Now this is just for iPhone. I don't know how Android works, but I think it works pretty much the same thing. So let's go to my files app. I don't know where here. Here, files app. Now it said, so I'm already on my downloads. Okay, so we're gonna click on downloads here. So iCloud Drive, downloads, and then it said it went to YouTube channel, right? Now you have to look for common assets. That's where it went to, right? And now you're gonna look for, it said es_Deluxe. Oh no, it was Moho Flag, right? There it is. So now it's there. See? Now it's here. Okay? Now it's in your phone, right? Now, if you wanted to like share it, I believe you can share it here. Okay? So if you use LumaFusion to edit your videos, you could simply do that from your Files app. So we're going to do that now. Or you can do it directly from Epidemic Sound. So we're going to do share to LumaFusion. So you saw what it said, right? It says it was shared to LumaFusion. Open up LumaFusion. So I'm going to open up my LumaFusion. Okay. So now I'm going to go touch that flower there right in the middle of the screen next to photos on the far left. And then then we're going to go to imported, because that's where all of your shared files like music, I think mostly music, is going to be. And then you're going to go under shared, because that's usually where all the music is. So you see they're kind of labeled a little bit differently, but let's see. if you can kind of see the name, if you remember the name of the song, so mine's was Moho Flag, or you can type it in. So we're gonna search it. So what is it? Moho Flag. Oh no, that didn't work. Okay, let's try a different way. So I'm just gonna keep scrolling because there it is. So you see that it says ES. Oh, there it is. So if I type it Moho Flag, if I type it the way it looks, it'll come up. Yeah. So there it is. It's in LumaFusion, and there you have it. And there you have it. It is in LumaFusion. Now, if you wanted to directly share it into LumaFusion, you can do this. So I'm going to download another song. Let's do this song. It's a good song. Now, we're going to download. Okay, now we're going to download the song. Download and export. Okay, so the first time we had was to share to files, save to files, and then we shared it to LumaFusion. But in this case, from the Epidemic Sound app, you can share to LumaFusion. Please open LumaFusion. Okay, so we're gonna open up LumaFusion. What was the name of the song again? I totally forgot. Do you guys remember? I forgot the name of the song. I always do this. Academia. How do you pronounce that? Okay. Academia. There we go. I think that's how you pronounce it. Correct me if I'm wrong. So now we downloaded Academia. It reminds me of the nut, macadamia nut. I love that nut. You know what macadamia nuts are, and you're from Hawaii or you visited Hawaii. Macadamia nuts is delicious. Okay, so we're gonna go straight to LumaFusion. Now, when you do share it to LumaFusion directly from Epidemic Sound, you're already on the imported shared file in LumaFusion. It will kind of take you directly to where the recent song is. But if it doesn't, then you can always find it through imported and shared under imported right there. Imported, and then you can look for Academia. Okay. So, it's the song. Yeah. And then you just put it in. Just like that. Just like so. Yeah, I guess that's how you find your songs that you downloaded from Epidemic Sound in your iPhone on your Files app, or you share directly through LumaFusion. I do hope this video was helpful. It was a learning curve for me too, and I hope this video helped you. This is to help us make more content more conveniently in the palm of our hands, to be able to do it on the go so that we don't have to like wait till we get home or wait till we go on a computer to be able to download these songs. I do hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions. I guess don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Yeah, I do hope it was helpful. Okay, well, I hope that helps. I hope that helped answer your question. What was her name again? Shanria G. Yeah, I hope that helped, and I hope this helps other future users of Epidemic Sounds. I will see you guys later. I haven't been posting any videos lately. Been a little bit busy, but I will soon. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I just woke up to like 12 more subscribers, and I'm at 112. And I'm really thankful for that. Thank you, everyone. So I guess I'll see you guys next time. Okay? Mahalo. Aloha. Bye. Mwah.